makes me dream. Your eyes light up my world. You're my gleaming sunshine. You are my fairy tale. You make me feel complete.
The first touch, first gush of warmth, first hint of smile, the most precious feeling one can experience. But what if sadness prevails and the chances of spontaneous parenthood become a distant dream for the couple? One tends to hope against hope. Wait for a miracle. Set up in early 2006, Genome is a one-stop fertility clinic within the Bhagirathi Neotia Woman and Child Care Center that takes care of fertility problems due to both male and female factors. It has both diagnostic and therapeutic facilities under one roof, while preserving the privacy and dignity of every patient. At Genome, we specialize in treating infertility from the simplest to the most advanced cases. The clinic takes pride in its team of infertility specialists who are trained overseas. With its international standard clinical protocol, in the last 4 years, Genome has taken care of above 5,000 infertility cases. Infertility is always difficult to come to terms with, and the shock and disbelief is enormous. Long-cherished dreams are shattered, added to the unbearable social stigma it incurs.
I wish I could help you take your first steps. I feel so empty. There's so much darkness, my little one. I long for you.
Ovulatory dysfunction is one of the most frequent cases of female infertility. This is related to the monthly release of eggs. Tubal infertility, surgical infertility, hormonal infertility, or immunological infertility might be the other causes. Genome has an answer to all these problems. Genome undertakes counseling of its patients into opting for specialized treatments like ovulation induction, artificial insemination, assisted zona hatching, electroejaculation, etc. Genome also specializes in assisted conception procedures such as IUI, IVF and ICSI. Genome has a team of passionate, dedicated and internationally acclaimed professionals who are best equipped in handling infertility and execution of these complex procedures. IUI or intrauterine insemination is the process by which sperm is placed in the woman's uterus. It is done by using a fine plastic tube which is passed through the cervix into the uterus. IVF or in vitro fertilization means fertilization conducted outside the body. In vitro literally means in glass, that is, a laboratory dish or a test tube. This is where the procedure happens. IVF is mainly used for cases of infertility caused by blocked fallopian tubes or unexplained infertility. ICSI or intracytoplasmic sperm injection is a technique which involves injecting a single sperm directly into the center of the egg. This is performed under a microscope using a very fine needle. ICSI is used when there is a severe male factor problem. There is a common perception of associating infertility only with women, but very few actually know that nearly 7.5 to 10% of all men in the reproductive age group are infertile. These problems in men can be due to blockages in sperm-carrying tubes, sperm disorders, hormonal imbalances, genetic disorder, testicular injury, or disease. Genome has a dedicated andrology clinic looking after male infertility. Medical treatments like using drugs to improve seminal quality, modern microsurgical techniques and efforts in the reproductive laboratory to improve semen quality to facilitate the penetration of sperm into the ovum are successfully executed at Genome. Newer avenues of treatment options are being explored and tested here. The childcare center of this hospital is specially equipped to deal with any and every kind of birth-related problems. Luxurious suites, deluxe rooms, single and twin sharing rooms are available for the mother and child for post-delivery situations. They are kept under 24-hour personalized care. The neonatal care units at BNWCCC for babies 0 to 28 days from birth are adept at taking care of all types of intensive care issues of the newborns. Genome, with its brilliant team of infertility consultants, dedicated in-house staff, state-of-the-art facilities and convenient location on Park Street, the heart of Metro City, Kolkata, is well equipped to offer world-class services. Having a success rate comparable to international standards, and all this at a surprisingly affordable cost. Patients flock in from all parts of the globe to make their eternal desire for a baby come true. Genome, where life begins.